Welcome to my YouTube channel Concept here. In today's class, we'll study about DNS in the internet. What is DNS in the internet means? DNS is a protocol that can be used in different platforms. In internet, the domain namespace tree is divided into three different sections. Okay, here DNS is a protocol that will be used in the internet. Okay, that is divided into three different sections. What are the three different sections here? Again, that is the root node divided into three types means this is the inverse domain, and next one is these all are the generic domains, and one more is these are the country domains. These are the country domains. Here we will see one by one. What is the generic domains? We already seen generic domains. What is the generic domains? These are the domains registered host according to their company or generic behavior. Okay, registered their generic behavior. For example, government organizations will be declared their websites ending with .gov, that is a government organization. .edu means educational website. .com means commercial purpose. Okay, like that. These are the websites. These are the domain names is called generic domains. Okay, each node in a tree is defines a domain which as an index to the domain namespace database. The first level in the generic domains sections allows 7 possible tree character levels. Okay, here .com means commercial, edu means educational, .gov means government. At first level, it allows totally 7 possible trees. Okay, it is the first level. It is the root level. It is the first level. Here we have 7 levels. Okay, 7 layers. So 7 different domains. Okay, the second one is country domains. What is a country domain? In previous class also we'll see what is the country domains means. Country domains section follows the same format as the generic domains, but it uses 2 characters of the country abbreviations. For example, is dot for Indian, for Indian it will use the dot in. For America it uses the dot US, and UK for dot in England for dot UK. Like that, the second label can be used organizational, or they can be more specific national level designations. Okay, here what is the example here? It is the root node. For example, it is the root node. From root level onwards, it is the dot in, it is the in, it is the root to UK, and it is the US. Okay, then after that it is the sub for example CA, and it is the CUP, like this. Okay, here how to will write means from top to bottom, sorry, from bottom to top means cup dot CA dot in dot. If you write a dot means you are considering the root value. If you are not mentioned the dot means you are not write the okay. In the first level only we write the country name. The second level label can be organizational, and they can be more specific the national designations. And this is the example for country domains indexing. And the last one is inverse domains. The mapping an address to a name is called inverse domain. A mapping an address to a name is called name is called domain. The client can be send an IP address to the server by mapped domain name is called PTR. That is nothing but pointer query. PTR is nothing but pointer query. Pointer query. And to answer the queries, this kind of DNS uses the inverse domains. Okay, this is about the DNSs in internet. Okay, very simply to tell, DNS internet is nothing but how the DNS is mapping in internet with different type of the domains. Okay, what are the different type of domains we have? Inverse domain, generic domains, and country domains. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. Thank you everyone.